Perfect fit. Easy to install. I dropped a star overall because the manufacturer should inform the buyer that the OEM fairlead that came with their winch probably won't fit with the SuperATV mount. SuperATV sells 3 different styles. One will work, but you have to order it direct from SuperATV. Amazon doesn't sell them. Took 2 weeks to arrive after everything else was installed and ready to use. I had to modify the front plate to fit my winch. Otherwise very happy with fit. Looks good, works as it should. Front plate mount is only good for synthetic rope. I needed one for cable, so had to purchase one for fairlead. Had to do some slight modifications. But it does look good. It took about 2 hours to get this installed with the winch. Not easy to install. Had an issue with the product, but SuperATV took care of the issue pronto. I liked their work ethic and customer relations. I'll do business with these folks anyway. Exact fit. Easy to install. Nice quality. Came with all the hardware for the job. Perfect fit for my 2019 Polaris RZR. No modification needed.